Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Abdul Aziz and my roll number is 1113. The topic of my presentation is homogeneous differential equations. My contents for presentations are what is homogeneous equation, then we will discuss some examples of homogeneous equation, then we will discuss the main topic, the homogeneous differential equation, and then the last one we will discuss some applications of homogeneous differential equations. So let's go to slides.
So I discussed already in the introduction video, these contents will be discussed throughout the presentation, and I will try my level best to cover each and every point related to this topic. So let's get to the main portion. What is a homogeneous equation? Before discussing homogeneous differential equation, I would like to discuss a little bit from the basic portion that what is a homogeneous equation. A equation is said to be a homogeneous equation if f of xy is equal to t of n f multiplied by f of xy, where t is any variable and n is any real number. A simpler definition of homogeneous equation is a homogeneous equation is a function with multiplicative scaling behavior. If the argument is multiplied by a factor, then the result is multiplied by some power of factor. In the later demonstration or in the solution of an example, this point will be encountered that how homogeneous function is multiplicative scaling behavior. And one of the major condition for the homogeneous equation is that sum of powers of every term must be same, that all the variables must have the same degree of power. As you can see, we can being continue the same topic. What is a homogeneous equation? A homogeneous equation where the sum of the power of every term are same. So the first function below is homogeneous function. This is a homogeneous function. And how to calculate a degree level? You can see that is the power of any variable is equal to the degree of that variable, that x cube that has 3 powers, so the degree is 3, and x square y, the power of x is square, which means true 2, and the power of y is 1. 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3, so the degree is 3. Same here, y cube, which is y3, the degree is 3, so same degree level in all the variables, so it is a homogeneous equation. But you can see that in the example 2, x cube, which is x3 plus y, it is not a homogeneous equation of same degree level, as x have 3 degree and y has only 1 degree level, so it is a non-homogeneous equation. So same as it is in x cube plus y cube plus 1, it is also a non-homogeneous equation. So for checking the homogeneity of the equation, we are taking an example. These examples are discussed, I have discussed, or we can judge homogeneity quickly as possible by knowing this solution, that to checking the degree level, we can check the homogeneity as quick as possible. But this method of recognizing a homogeneous equation does not work all the time. It is useful in many examples, but in more complex situation, it won't work properly. So, homogeneous equation can be written as in this equation, that it is the same thing that is defined in previous slide, but in the more precise equation, that f of x y is equal to y of n multiplied by h of u, where y is any variable, can be any variable, and n any real number, can any be real number from 0 to anything. Same here, this is the equation that is defining the homogeneity of the equation function.
So let's discuss some example that will tell us the homogeneity of the equation. I am writing here some questions. Example 1, f of xy is equal to x minus 3 under root xy plus 5y. We are getting this equation to check the homogeneity of the given equation. So let's solve it, simplify it, put x is equal to tx and y is equal to yx ty. Put this in the equation 1, this is the equation 1. Put this in the equation 1, we will get the answer as x is equal to tx, tx minus 3, tx then ty plus 5 ty. Simplify it, we will get the equation tx minus 3 t square xy plus 5 ty. Again simplify it, 3, this is a square, so we can take it out of the square root, so then it will be 3t xy plus 5 ty. And after getting the t common, we will get x minus 3 under root xy plus 5y, which is equal to f of xy. So this equation is completing the task that to check the homogeneity of the equation. It is a homogeneous equation. So take another example to check the homogeneity of the equation. I am writing another example, f of xy is equal to x square plus y square plus 1. Again using the same formula, we will write x is equal to tx and y is equal to yx. Sorry, y is equal to ty. Let's get solve it. We will put these to equation 1. X square will be equal to tx square plus y square will be equal to ty square, and this constant will be remain same. We can see that t square x square plus t square y square plus 1. This thing is destroying the whole homogeneity of the equation, because we cannot take anything common, so we can put this is not equal to homogeneous. This is a non-homogeneous equation.
So what is a homogeneous differential equation? Let's suppose a differential equation p of xy dx plus q xy dy 0 equal to 0. This is the general form of homogeneous differential equation, where p of xy and q of xy is a homogeneous function. These both are p of xy and q of xy are the homogeneous differential equation of same degree in x and y. An example from the homogeneous differential equation is this: dy over dx equal to y3 plus 3xy square over x3. As you can see, x cube have same degree level, and x plus x have 1 power and y has 2 power. 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3 over x cube. It is also having 3 degree level, so it is a homogeneous equation in the differential equations. So what is the purpose of finding the homogeneity of differential equation? The major purpose of solving differential equation to find that it is homogeneous or not is to substitute the given equation in such a way that it comes in separable form to so we can substitute it or solve it in further classification. So equation can be solved where this is a homogeneous equation. By solving it, we are taking a separable form that y variables are different in different side and x variable are in different side. This is a separable form. The one of the basic purpose of finding an homogeneity of a differential equation is to make sure that it can substitute or not.
In order to explain much for the homogeneous differential equation, I am going to take an example from the textbook and solve it in front of you. So let's go. I am taking an exemplary question from the textbook. So solve it. Before solving it, put y is equal to vx to check the homogeneity of the equation. Then put dv over x over dx as x cube plus vx cube over x square vx plus vx square and x. By solving it by product rule, we can take that x d over dx plus v, and here by taking the common x3 1 plus v cube over x cube v plus v square. This will be the solution much we are going to solve it by cutting this x3 over x3 and 1 plus v cube, and by taking the v also here common by v plus v square. For deleting this or removing this, we need to add or delete something on the both sides. So we are minus v on both sides, adding minus v on the both sides, we will get minus v and positive v will be struck off, and x d over dx will be remain. So here will be the solution 1 plus v cube minus v cube v square plus v cube over v plus v square. One plus v cube minus v square minus v cube over v plus v square. This positive v3 and this negative v3 will be cut off. We will have now vx over dx. What? Here we have to put dv 1 plus 1 minus v square y plus v2. More we can solve it v 1 minus v and 1 plus v, and here v will be common, 1 plus v will be remain here. We can cut off 1 plus v, 1 plus v, and then we will get 1 minus v and v here, and here we will have x dv over dx, and by taking the v values to here and x values to there, first of all x dv 1 minus v and get this to here, so we will get dx here, then it will be v and v minus 1, and then it will be dv and x will be comes to there, will be 1 over x dx. So in order to make it happen, I will have to remove it. By solving it, we can solve it by v will be in inside 1 over v by minus 1, and we will get positive v minus 1, and by changing the signs we will get it cut off and v will be there, and the answer will be minus v plus 1 1 minus v dv, and we have here 1 over x dx. And now we can do the integrational part here, as minus v dv will be equal to minus v plus this will be equal to ln minus 1 by v, and here we will get ln x here and writing a constant portion by this. We can also more simplify it, ln, take all the terms here, 1 minus v minus ln x minus ln c, and get this v to the there. Ln we can write it by the product formula of the logarithm. We can write it as 1 minus v x and c, and here it will be v. Now put we have there put y is equal to vx. So put again v is equal to the accordingly v will be equal to x over y. Ln 1 minus x over y, and v will be equal to x over y. So this will be our answer.
So here is the some applications of homogeneous differential equation that is lying on the daily life routine of our life. And so let's discuss it. An analog computer study of Vander plot equation, its response to write Gaussian nodes. Gaussian noise, which means that Gaussian noise is also performing some kind of homogeneity of differential equation, or this application is applicable or implemented in some way that Gaussian noise is proportion to the homogeneous equation. In first of order homogeneous differential equation, barometric pressure variation is one of the basic application that is using or implemented on the basics of homogeneous differential equation. You can see that in the barometric pressure variation, pH is equal to P naught E raised to power minus mgh over kT. This is the equation of barometric pressure level, which can tell us the pressure or humidity of a mountain or an atmosphere. At this point, the homogeneous differential equation is applied. So as next, discharging of a capacitor is also one of the major portion of application of homogeneous differential equation. That capacitor charging and discharging is based on homogeneity of the equation. Then simple harmonic motion is also dependent of homogeneity finding. Then simple pendulum is also depending on it. Then azimuthal equation or hydrogen atom is also dependent upon this equation finding. And at the last, velocity profile in fluid flow is also performing homogeneity or finding homogeneity of differential equation to perform substitution or finding a precise value for submission. Some references from which I have gathered this all the information and slides are written here. You can cross check from there. The books I have followed: the Advanced Engineering Mathematics ninth edition. This was authored by Irwin Krzyk, and the Differential Equation with Boundary Value Problem by Zil Cullen. I remain most grateful for you for listening my whole presentation. Thank you very much. So far, I have tried my level best to encounter each and every point of related topic. If you have any query or ambiguity, you can ask in inbox or some appropriate communication channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.